Testing, can you hear me now? Testing, testing, one, two. Okay, very good. So, today has not been the best day of streaming that I've ever had. Uh, I made an art mistake, I made a streaming mistake, I made a microphone mistake. I have to redo all the stuff I've done in the past, what, 20 minutes? I hope you didn't come here to see a professional. First day streaming, never done this before. So what's going on with you, Yoshi? Do you have any plans for Easter? Doing any traveling? Working on a birthday card. Now I need to finish it with the message. Oh, okay. Sweet. Who's the birthday? Whose birthday is it? Didn't really plan anything for Easter. Just a friend from church. Okay, cool. March and April is the season. 'Tis the season for birthdays. Nightbot says, please feel free to check out my Book of John playlist with commentaries on YouTube. Check here at youtube.com/playlist. Garbledygook. Letters and numbers. Yoshi says, I'm afraid I will ruin the message because I want to write it with a fountain pen. Oh, that is why I am a digital inker. I'm a digital comic artist. I talked to someone the other day who said that it was more exciting to do it with real ink because of the danger factor. You could mess up. And I said, yeah, that's the whole reason that I don't do it. I don't like that danger. I'm not a daredevil. I'm a doctor, not a daredevil. Star Trek joke.